Now in this lesson we do some work on non-standard lengths. How wide is your desk in shoe lengths? So we're after that width and we're going to measure it in shoes. Let's just recolor it, the top of it, and to give ourselves a little bit of room, if we were to look directly on top of that desk, we would see the top there as such. We're after that width. So we're going to use shoes to measure it. So let's count. 1 shoe, 2 shoes, 3 shoes, 4 shoes, 5 shoes, and 6 shoes. So we can say that the desk is about 6 shoes wide. Now, how wide is your desk in pencil lengths? So this time we're going to use pencils. Let's count. 1 pencil, 2 pencils, 3 pencils, 4 pencils, 5 pencils, 6 pencils, 7 pencils, 8 pencils. I don't think we'd fit another one in, would we? So we can say that the desk is about 8 pencils wide. We'll use the word about because we'll probably never get exactly. Now we've got a box here. We're asked how long is the box. So we're after that length. So we could use pencils again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's about 6. We'd say that the box is about 6 pencils long. Now, what else could we use to find that length? What about using those shoes again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The box